This dance is called Ashes of Love. It's a 64 count, 2/all, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to chasse to the right. So right chasse, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a half cha-cha, so we're going to turn half right on the spot, 3 steps, left, right, left. Rock back on the right, recover. That set of steps once more then, chasse to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock. Kick, ball, change off on that right, kick, ball, change. Into a chase, half turn. So step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. Step pivot half, so we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right. So that last little section, kick, ball, change off on the right. 7, 8, kick, ball, change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. Add those 2 sections together. Chasse to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball, change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. Now the next 2 sections are almost a mirror image of the first 2, apart from the very end bit where we're only going to pivot a quarter instead of a half. So we're going to chasse to the left, left chasse, rock back on the right, recover the weight on the left. Half cha-cha over our left shoulder on the spot, right, left, right. Rock back on the left, recover. Into that kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change, chase half turn, step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left, hold. And this is where the difference is. We step forward on the right, we make a quarter of a turn to the left, not the half that we did in the first set. So those last 2 sections then. Chasse to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, left chasse, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball, change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. That's our halfway point, so let's take it up to there. Chasse to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball, change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. Left chasse, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball, change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot a quarter. So from this halfway point, kick the right twice over the left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross shuffle, right over left into a hinge, half turn, quarter turn right, stepping the left back, quarter turn right, stepping the right to the side. So that section once more then, kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick, kick, side, rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on that right. Chasse to the left, side close side. Into a weave, cross right over left, left to the side, right behind, left to the side. So that last section then, cross rock into that chasse and weave, left foot leading. 7, 8, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side, behind, side. So add that to our halfway point from those kicks. Right foot leading, 7, 8, kick, kick, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, side, behind, side. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight on that left. You're going to shuffle forward on the right, but we're going to put a quarter of a turn right on to start with. So quarter turn into that shuffle. Add on a step, lock, step, left foot leading, step, lock, step, brush that right through. So that set of steps once more then, cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, lock, step, brush. Add that to our halfway point, kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick, kick, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, lock, step, brush. Add on a jazz box, half a turn and a step at the end. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left back. Make that half a turn as we step forward on that right and step forward on the left to end the jazz box. Point the right to the side, cross right over left, point left to the side, cross left over right. End of dance. So that last section once more then, that jazz box half turn with the step. Off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, cross. So add that to our halfway point, kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick, kick, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, lock, step, brush, jazz, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, cross. So that is our two halves. Let's put them together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, kick, kick, side, rock, cross, shuffle, turn, turn, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, shuffle, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, cross. That's the dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. Hopefully you can see what the timing's like. There is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kick, ball change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, kick, kick, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, left chassé, cross side behind side, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, right chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock, half cha-cha, back, rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, kick, kick, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, left chassé, cross side behind side, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, lock, step, brush, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, point, cross. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go. To the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, chassé, back rock, half cha-cha, back rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock, half cha-cha, back rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, kick, kick, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, turn, cross rock, chassé, weave, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, rock, step, brush, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, chassé, back rock, half cha-cha, back rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock, half cha-cha, back rock, kickboard change, step, pivot, step, pivot, kick, kick, side rock, cross shuffle, turn, cross rock, chassé, weave, cross rock, turn shuffle, step, rock, step, brush, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, chassé, kickboard, chassé, kickboard, kicks, cross rock, jazz, chassé, kickboard, chassé, kickboard, kicks, cross rock, jazz,
I trusted dear, I love would stand. Your every wish was my command. My heart tells me I must forget. I loved you then, I love you yet. Ashes of love, cold as ice. You made it dead, and I paid the price. Our love is gone, and there's no doubt. Ashes of love, the flame burned out. Our love is gone, and there's no doubt. Ashes of love, the flame burned out.
Hope you managed that one.